I'm Birdman, and here we are hanging out for Mountain Talk. So once again, COVID-19 is still ruling our world. I think we've got just a couple weeks left, I'm hoping. Fingers crossed. Yes, we're there. Right off the bat, I want to make mention of something. Online, most people have been completely respectful and totally awesome and supportive of each other. We got some bad apples, and we need to, first of all, not give them any notoriety. So I'm not going to name anybody, but no, don't do that. Don't be bad. Don't be mean. You don't have to go into other people's pages and post disrespectful stuff. If you're posting it on your own page, that's kind of one thing, and maybe your people that know you. But when you go onto another page that has to do with professional services, operations, distributing information to people, and you're rude and indignant, it's not good for our community. It's really bad. And then there's some out in public. You know, if I worked at the hospital and I had scrubs on and I had a mask and then I left work, and by the way, before they leave work, they actually shower and they put on new scrubs, and I went across the street to grab some stuff before I went home, how would you want to be treated?
Oh, good. I would thank them. If they walked by me, I'd be like, thank you so much. That's what I would say.
Some of them were getting a little chastised and act like they've got like some weird fungus or something. COVID-19 is going to get spread around our community, and everybody's going to get it. So at some point, they're going to get exposed to it. When I say get it, I don't mean get it. People that are compromised, have an immune system that's compromised, are going to be the worst. We want to keep it away from them as much as possible. But, everybody is going to, at some point, because it's here on our continent, get exposed to it. So it's not like... It is like the plague, but the plague wasn't that bad in the first place. So
no, it's like the flu. If you get the flu, you're not going to go and be a jerk to people about who have the flu, or H1N1, or SARS, or MARS, or any of these things. It's just a part of that. So just take a couple breaths. I know that it's a stressful not knowing what's happening, but we have some outlets that are communicating very well. I'm sorry, I'm going to say it. Summit's doing a phenomenal job at getting the information out and communicating to the public. They have really taken the lead in our community, making sure that people have the communication. So that's where, now they don't test everybody, but when they do test someone, they let you know. And right now they're doing great, and their staff is great. And there's a lot of people out there giving to their staff, which we're very thankful for.
Very good.
Very thankful for. So keep that up. We need to turn those frowns upside down and make this a positive pain in the butt experience.
Okay, so now we've been hanging out. We had to have Easter all by ourselves. The churches were closed down. I think actually there's quite a few. I know St. Rita's, the church actually is attached to St. Anthony's, the school. St. Rita's did a great service. You can actually go back up and watch it. The church did a phenomenal job, and I'm sure there were several others. I saw the Baptist church near us had a drive-in sort of a moment where you could drive in, stay in your car, and have the experience. So that's good that those are available. I think most kids are doing good. Our kids are understanding they can't play with other kids yet, but hopefully here in a couple of weeks we can start to relax that and go, but let's just stay together and be the community that we are.
Support each other.
And support each other.
And that's what we want to do this week. We want to, if we can, we want to support our businesses, and we want to help our businesses. So Sunday, for dinner, we got from Cattleman's a phenomenal prime rib. We split it with our parents in buying it and in eating it, and it was incredible. It came with thanks to my husband, creamy horseradish sauce. Oh, it was so good. So that really made our meal special, and we were able to give back to them and keep them going on. We also worked with Persnickety's and got our cupcakes. So the kids got to do cupcakes.
Build their own cupcakes, which was really kind of cool.
It was very cool. We've been able to use the R&R pizza, build your own pizza, which was awesome too, and they gave you everything for it. Very easy, and it lasted like 2 days of meals, which was great.
Very cool.
That kept the kids busy. We also have people like Pure Relaxation that's doing at-home facial kits where you can buy it there, and you can take the facial kit home and you do it yourself. She has a teen facial kit too. So when you're thinking about all of those kids that are really getting kind of screwed in their graduation, it's a great thing to, buy your kid that and take them through their facial. Guys can do it too. It's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. It took me a while to get him to get pedicures, but once he did, he was like, oh, my feet feel better. And of course, he doesn't get them anymore, but still.
Not doing that now, but okay.
Yes. So there's a lot of businesses have gotten really unique in the things that they've offered to make sure that they still have that connection to the community and they're still helping each other out. And we do want to help our businesses here because they are the backbone of our community. And so if you are able to and you're in a place where you can, please take the time out to not only help a business out, but share what they're doing with your friends. Let people know because these businesses make up our community and they're phenomenal. I mean, we know the majority of the people out
And
there.
my hair is going to keep going until we're allowed to get haircuts at the salon. So North Star, I'll be waiting for them to be able to open to do that. So
speaking of,
watch.
You want to make your appointments now because I guarantee that's the next stock that's going to go high is probably Redken and things like that because of the salon. So it's yeah, we all need our haircut. I got a little boy that's starting to get in his eyes. So.
We're going to start pushing people to make their reservations for August, July, and June here soon. This week, we're going to start pushing that as a hashtag campaign, hashtag AZWM, and I'll be making some announcements here by midweek or by the end of the week at the very latest. So watch for that, and let's get everybody start booking from August backwards because you know we're going to be open and we're going to want them up here and having fun. So
Yeah.
I think it's good for today.
Yeah, that's great for today.
Awesome. Hey, I'm Birdman.
And I'm Allie.
And we'll see you again here on Mountaintop.